Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's kind of a surprise unboxing. Actually, I unboxed this on the day of my birthday. It was an unexpected gift from my hubby, and I was really grateful and thought of sharing that moment with you guys. With that being said, I am leaving you to watch the rest of the video. Enjoy and see you in my next one. Bye bye, au revoir. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below.